Hey y'all, figured I'd do a video on this Kisco box fan I've got. It's probably anywhere from, I don't know, early 40s to maybe early 50s. The blade has a patent on it from 1937. This is a Kisco box fan. It's a Torrington blade on it. It's aluminum. It's pretty heavy for aluminum. Not sure what the motor is, but it says it's a Kisco. Only front grate comes off. Clean this garage out. Kind of looks like the vents are like a Fasco or a Westinghouse. Oh, this thing weighs a metric ton. There's the back of it. It's like one of those weird window fans you see everywhere. Forget the name of them. But this is actually welded to the motor support. The bolts go through the motor and screw into it. Enough of that. Let's fire this turd up. It's just a 2-speed. Like I said, this was in my video a week or two ago. So I don't know, it might be even older than 50s, I don't know. It's got a seal there. I think it was originally light blue. But let's fire up lows first. Yeah, I gotta take the motor apart and see if it's just got some oil on it somewhere, because it smells funky when it gets warm. I thought I saw it smoking one day, but it doesn't seem to really dim the lights or anything when you turn it on. But it goes a little bit faster once it warms up. Here's high. Figure I'll spin it around real quick and do the startup sound. Sounds like it needs oil. Here it goes. I'm going to turn it off. Don't want to hurt it if it is starting to mess up, so I can tear into it and investigate. But there it is. Thanks for watching.